Hey guys, today's video. Oh, Griffin here had the brightest idea to
look terrible with the light.
I know it is terrible with the light, but I mean, just makes you look better.
You can't see me? That's nice.
Hey guys, today's video, Griffin had the brightest idea to turn my shop into some sort of, yeah, to his shop. He's turned it into a Dodge mechanic shop. Oh, those are some nice valve covers, dude. So he wants to put this V8 in his Plymouth Valiant, his 69 Plymouth Valiant. And I guess he just didn't like the sound of the Leaning Tower of Power. He wanted a little rumble. So he bought this motor on Facebook Marketplace, motor and transmission.
Oh yeah.
300 bucks?
Yep.
That's a deal.
It was a steal.
Yeah.
He was a Ford guy. He didn't know what he had.
And he bought a bunch of bolt-ons, and well, we're cramming this V8 in his car today. I'm not able to work on my 57 because it's become a workbench, and well, I just can't get to it good. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out so I can get back on my 57 Chevy. That's not a new radiator, sir.
No, but I found the hole. About half a mil. It's on this side. You had to get this angle right here.
Thought this was a new radiator.
No, it was used.
Yeah, but like
For 70 bucks, that's a good deal.
okay. All right, so we gotta get busy on. You know, I gotta buy an engine hoist.
You don't have one?
I do.
It's in use, I'm sure.
But it would take me longer to dig it out than just buying another one.
Well, having another one's always good.
Well, I gotta put it in here then. So anyhow, let's get prepared and see about getting this 6-cylinder snatched out and pulling this thing out so we can pull his car in. Okay, so I had to go run to Harbor Freight and I had to pick up a engine hoist. So we're assembling. Then once we get them assembled, we're gonna pick the motor and transmission up out of the back of the truck over there, put it to the side, and then we're gonna pull the car in and start ripping it apart.
So we need 2 bolts. Go ahead and grab the, here, I'll take that.
And thankfully I got some help here.
Bet you it's a stubby one that goes on the
One
bottom.
goes on the bottom.
That's what she said.
Yep. Oh well.
Okay, first step. Well, first step, get the engine hoist. Second step, get the engine out of the back of the truck and on the engine hoist. Next step is Griffin pulling the car right into here while me and my brother go have lunch because we're starving. So while we're having lunch, we're gonna let Griffin stay here and get to work.
Yeah, start pulling linkages and throttle cables and fun stuff.
And hopefully when we get back, the engine will be out. We're not gonna take that long.
And it's running.
Yeah, and the V8's in and it's running, driving. That'd be
no video.
That'd be a boring video. Be like
that or a long lunch.
Isaac going to lunch with his bro, and then Griffin driving off in the sunset in his nice Plymouth Valiant.
5-minute long video.
4 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, bro. Did you want to take the truck or the Deuce and a Half?
Let's take the truck.
Take the truck. We'll take the truck. We're gonna go to lunch. God, this place is such a mess. It was bad before.
It's, well, since I can't.
Get 2 guys in here working, and it's a disaster. Cut her off. Don't want it too hot because he's got to start taking it apart. Do you think you need to bring it in more?
No, we'll just have to throw something behind the back tires because the parking brake cable stripped on this thing. So
Oh, that's
block
cool.
the tires off.
Well, pop the hood, man. Let's
Take another look at this.
take a last look of the Leaning Tower of Power in this thing. I cannot believe you're gonna take this fine engine out for just a little measly 318. It's only a few more cubic inches, dude.
It's like it's like a third more cubic inches.
I mean, that's nothing.
Super
The
225.
Super 225.
Not really.
The bulimic 318. I mean, it is a smog engine,
Yeah.
but it is a roller cam engine.
Oh yeah, roller cam.
Yeah.
And it's closed cylinder heads, so a little bit better combustion.
I'm not a Dodge guy, so I don't know. All right, dude. Well, we're gonna go grab some lunch. My advice to you:
Battery, coolant. all that
disconnect the
fun stuff.
battery, drain the coolant and stuff. I got some other containers, and I would use the jack stands and jack and all that stuff. So, yeah. All right, bro. You ready to go lunch?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. I want this thing done, Griffin.
Me too.
By the time we get back.
Ha!
We got no power.
Yeah.
No power at all.
There's cops out just doing running traffic out in the streets.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna leave you here because one, the lighting is terrible. Don't need to have the camera going. You know, this is going pretty well. All we've got now is a the shift linkage. You're working on the coolant lines, the heater
I was
hoses.
just testing, seeing if they'd reach. They're a little
They
low
look,
and they need.
they look pretty good.
Yeah.
Alternator, belts, radiator, and ignition system.
Radiator. We got to work on that radiator.
But that should be pretty much it before our first road test. Meanwhile, I've got that going on over there, and y'all will be able to see that in the next video, so stay tuned for that video next on more Humvee content. And then I'll be getting back to my 57 once I get my garage back. Right, Griffin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I know y'all want to see more 57 Chevy content. I want to see more 57 Chevy content. Because my plan is I'm going to be driving that thing down the road this year. That's my goal for the year. And it's September. I mean, 3 months. I think I'm good. All right. I'm going to go do that video. And I'm going to come back and hopefully Griffin will be right there having it running, hopefully. I'm going to be back quicker than that. All right. See y'all in a second. Or leave it.
Yeah.
Okay, so he is getting so close to having this thing done. I've got to go deliver a Humvee. So I'm gonna leave Griffin. Hopefully he'll be fine without me. He's got the death wheel over there. All right, buddy. See ya.
Yeah.
Yeah. pure coolant?
No, this is 50/50, but I got concentrated in there.
It's 50/50?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we are putting coolant in this thing, and we are about ready to try to fire it up. Got to put a battery in it. We got the lines, the coolant lines hooked up. We've got fuel line hooked up. We've got everything hooked up. Might have to do something with the timing, because all I did was drop in the distributor and just guessed at it. So that one's full strength.
Yes. And then we'll top it off the rest of it with water.
Okay, sounds good. So hopefully, fingers crossed, guys, we're gonna hear this thing fire up. Hopefully.
Think I can freestyle it in there?
Hmm?
Think I can freestyle it in there?
Sure, why not? I mean, we're guys. We're pretty good at that.
Have to be.
Yeah.
Make sure the drain cock's closed and not dripping out.
I don't see anything dripping, dude. So that radiator's used. It had a hole in it, and I had to solder the hole up. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it's okay. I hope. All right, guys. Who wants to hit the key?
Me.
You want to hit the key?
That's my car.
All right. And you're gonna have to let it pump the fuel up.
Have to pump for a second, yeah.
Hopefully it's a good battery. And hopefully I got the timing close.
Let me set the radiator cap down here.
Okay. All right, sir. I'll give you a thumbs up when I start seeing it going into the fuel filter.
Contact.
Yep. There it goes. Hold it.
Yeah,
The timing's off. All right.
You gonna pump gas?
No. We have a coolant leak over here.
What from?
We're filling up the valley of the intake. It's this coolant line, this one.
Yeah, oh, it's leaking out around there. I put thread tape on that though.
I think it's leaking from the hose. Can you try tightening it?
I guess.
All right. Going to run into something.
There's always something, you know.
Yeah.
Never get away with it.
Yeah. Here, let me push it towards you. Oh, can you get to it?
Yeah, I'm on it. It's already tight.
I mean, I turned the thing. Yeah. Was it a loose fit?
Not really. Oh, on the hose? Yeah,
Yeah.
the hose is loose.
Yeah, you're gonna have to tighten the dog out of it. All right. Well, so far promising, guys.
Sounds like it's
Now-
idling.
Yeah, it's idling good. You didn't even hit the gas, did you?
No, I didn't touch it.
All right. Awesome. I think that's probably opening off. All right. Shut off. Remember how you undid the oil filter housing? It is just pouring
Oh, God.
oil right onto the header, onto the ground.
I guess I can cinch that a little tighter. It's gonna be scalding hot down there now.
Bet you're gonna have to. You're probably gonna have to replace that seal. Yeah, guys, it's amazing. It's running. It's got gears. Dude, did you want to like just see if it's got all the gears real quick?
I'm afraid of getting up on the RPMs with that leaking, because if it geysers a bunch of oil all over the headers and starts burning, that's a problem.
I mean, that's true.
Yeah, I really don't want to risk that.
Okay. Just to be safe, we are not gonna drive this thing down the road. I mean, if it were me, I would. But that's me. I can get away with stuff like that.
I mean, this is my ride home,
This
Ike.
is your ride home. If it was transmission fluid, absolutely not. Transmission fluid, when it hits headers, it's an immediate flame. Immediate. Engine oil is usually just a lot of smoke, but it will catch fire.
Speaking of which, while I got two people here, can we let it idle for a couple more seconds and put transmission fluid in, make sure it's at the right level of neutral? Because I got to hold the brake.
It's got to be in gear?
It's got to be in neutral, yeah. It doesn't build pressure in park. Yeah, 904-727 does not build transmission fluid pressure in park. Only neutral drive reverse.
Let's check the engine oil real quick, make sure it's okay. And yeah, we'll check the fluid and go from there.
All right, sweet.
Okay guys, we did tighten it down, and it's slowed the leak down a lot. But it's still got a small leak. He's probably going to have to get a gasket or something, and he'll have to do that tomorrow. But meanwhile, we're going to see if it's got gears. You ready, sir? You want me to close this?
Yeah. Don't put the keys in there. Wait.
I got the keys right here. Please have gears. Huh? Alright, good. Yeah, oh, where's the cap? Where's the radiator cap? We're in a rush. Sweet. Here's your keys, sir. Dome light work in this thing?
Only when you open the doors.
With the only?
Yeah.
Do you not know how to do it? Turn it.
Oh.
There you go.
I didn't know it went further.
Yeah.
I was always afraid to push on it because I was afraid to break.
Yeah. So,
temperature gauge is coming up a little bit. Just a little bit.
is it?
Just a little bit.
Okay, good.
It's like on the first peg. So
Alright.
good, which means it's got something. We didn't check how much transmission fluid it has.
There we are. Ooh, did you feel it hit?
Yeah.
Please have gears. Please have gears. Second gear, third gear, sweet. This is dead end. All right, so yeah, we need to check fluid. All right, make that turn.
Yeah. I gotta be careful of the headers.
Yeah. So when we get back, we're gonna check the fluid, and he's got all three gears. That is amazing, guys. Car is running, driving down the road again. V8 power, baby. thanks for watching. I wish I had daylight for you to see this thing go, but well, it's moving again. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch y'all later. Griffin, put her there, buddy. All right, dude. Awesome.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. That's it.